Hello friends, today we are celebrating World Fungus Day. I would like to aware the people about the dermal infection through the fungus. I am from Dhote Bandhu Science College Gondia. Name Shruti Mishram from MSc 3rd Sem. Presentation topic name Dermatophytes. Theme Infection of human dermal skin through the fungi. Introduction. Dermatophytosis is a common contagious disease, that is infectious disease caused by fungi known as dermatophytes. Dermatophytes belong to Deuteromites class. Dermatophyte is a group of organisms that are able to break down the keratin in tissues such as the epidermis, hairs, nails, feathers, horns, and hooves. Most of these fungi reside in the soils and are involved in decomposition. Dermatophytes derived from Greek word dermatos, which means skin, and phytes from phyton, meaning plant, and are a common label for a group of three types of fungus that commonly cause skin disease in plants, in animals, and humans. These amorphic genera are Microsporum, Epidermophyton, and Trichophyton. Their classification of dermatophyte, Trichophyton, Microscorum, even Epidermophyton. Trichospinal colonies may be powdery, velvety, waxy with pigmentation. Microconidia are abundant and arranged in cluster along the hyphae or borne on condyspore. Microconidia are relatively scanty. They are generally elongated with blunt ends. They have distinctive shapes in different species are important in species identification. Some species have spiral hyphae, liquid mycelium, etc. Trichophyton infect skin, hairs, and nail and rubrum. You can see this diagram given. Microscorum colonies are cotton-like velvety or powdery with white to brown pigmentation. Microconidia are relatively scanty and are not distinct. Microconidia are predominant in spore formation. They are large multicellular and spindle shaped. They are produced singly on the ends of hyphae. Species of Microscorum infect the hair and skin but not in the nails. Epidermophyton colonies are powdery and greenish yellow in color. Microcoryndia are absent. Macroconidia are multicellular, pear-shaped. They are typically arranged in cluster. Epidermophyton infect the skin and nails but not in hair. A genus comprise only one species, E. frocosum. This diagram you can see this given below. Pathogenicity. So basically dermatophytes grow only on the keratinized layers of the skin and its appendages. They do not originally penetrate the living tissues. The mechanism of pathogenesis in dermatophytosis are not clear, but fungal products may be responsible for insisting local inflammation. Hypersensitivity to fungus antigen play may play a role in pathogenesis, and it is responsible for sterile vascular lesions. These lesions are called dermatophytes. The hypers or ID reaction. This hypersensitivity can be demonstrated by skin testing with fungus called antigen. The classification of tinea, ringworm tinea. Ringworm tinea, first is Tinea corporis. It is a ringworm, smooth or non-hairy skin of the body, etc. You can see this. Tinea capitis, causal agent Microsporum and Trichophyton. Clinical characters. It is a scalp infection. Skin on hairs may be affected. The fungal mycelium grows into the hair follicle, penetrate into keratinized zone. Their geographical distribution, their population, their predisposition factor therapy. You can see this diagram given below. Tenia barbi, causal agent Microscorum canis, Trichophyton verscorum, T. rubrum, and T. metographites. The clinical characters: beard and cause, body hairs, and invite like tiny capitis. Their geographical distribution, their population, their predisposing factor, their therapies. You can see this diagram given below. Tenia corporis, the causal agent. It's caused by all dermatophytes, Trichophyton rubrum. Their clinical character, their geographical distribution, their predisposing factor, their therapy. The diagram you can see this given below. Tenia pedis, athletic food, is caused by Trichophyton rubrum. Metographites, epidermitophyton flocum. Their clinical characters. You can see this diagram given below. Tenia manium, hand infection. Their clinical characters. Therapy, population, in their prevention. Washing hands after handling animal soils, avoiding wearing, etc. Thank you.